In today's video, we'll be showing you how to measure your pet for a pet buoyancy aid and discussing some of the features and differences of our top selling products.
The Crewsaver pet float is easy to measure. All you have to do is measure from the neck to the base of the tail. On the Marine Superstore website, there are recommendations for your size.
We'll now talk about some of the features of the Crewsaver pet buoyancy aid. It has soft closed cell foam which combines the benefits of softness and flexibility with the closed cell structure for installation, water resistance and durability. Quick and secure adjustment straps that ensure a snug and secure fit. Integrated lifting handle makes rescuing or boarding easy. Lead attachment ring that doubles as a D-ring near the top of the neck. Reflective tape that enhances visibility if you're out when it's dark. Built-in storage pockets for things like bags, toys and accessories.
Baltic's Pluto pet buoyancy aid is measured slightly different than the other brands of pet buoyancy aids. All you need to do is weigh them. Fig is 13 kilograms, meaning her size is a size medium. You can find your size using the size guide at our Marine Superstore website.
The Pluto has some great features such as ergonomic and lightweight design that allows your pet to move naturally, a strong grab handle to safely and securely lift your pet from the water, D-ring for lead attachment, high visibility retroreflective patches to ensure visibility when it's dark, adjustable belly and chest straps offering a more customizable fit.
Spinlock's FIDO is measured using two measurements: the girth around the torso and the neck circumference.
The Spinlock FIDO does fit slightly differently to the other two styles of pet buoyancy aid. It's shorter to the body and doesn't reach the base of the tail. Some of the standout features consist of built like professional safety gear, the same way Spinlock builds any of its safety products. Comfortable air mesh lining allows for airflow and fast drying. Reinforced lifting handle, suitable for heavier dogs and emergencies. A sleek and fitted design that minimises bulk and drag in the water. Reflective detailing, which enhances visibility day or night. It also uses a 3-point adjustment system, underbelly, chest and neck straps, ensuring a secure, non-restrictive fit that stays in place.